back, guys, to Steven's DIY
Alright
Auto.
guys, so today we're going to be checking out Harbor Freight's Inside Track Club membership, exclusive member only deals. So we're going to be looking at Harbor Freight's Inside Track Club member deals. These deals expire May 26. So make sure you guys head out and pick up anything you see or anything you guys are going to need that is on sale for this month. So like always, guys, we're going to go through. We'll touch on a few items here and there, but we'll go through slow enough so that you guys can see what all is on sale for this month for Inside Track Club members. So let's start scrolling down and seeing what we can find. So here we have the Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump in orange. That's originally $239, is on sale for $199. Those are really good jacks, as I've mentioned many times before. Here's a on sale for $299, original $499. We have a 15-pound capacity telescoping magnetic pickup tool. These always come in handy. You can never have enough magnets. You're always dropping bolts or sockets inside the engine bay area. Those help get it out really well. Here's something I'm actually thinking about picking up. It's the Maddox disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit, 11-piece. Originally $49.99. It's on sale for $29.99. I have a version of this. It's a cheap version from Amazon. It works pretty well, but I always wanted the Maddox brand. But for the price point, and I don't really use it very often, I settled for the Amazon brand. But who knows? We might pick that up. But that comes in handy if you're doing brake jobs, or your specific vehicle has the caliper, the piston caliper that needs to be rotated back in instead of pushed back in. We're going to have to just... Once we click on these, we got to go right back through everything. That's okay, though. So here's another deal. It's not very much off, but these 6 and 12 volt circuit tester with a 5-foot lead. These come in handy. They're really nice to have, even these cheaper ones. And for $1 off, it's not a big deal, but hey, $1 here or the $1 there counts today now. So what else we got? We got some air tools. Don't really use air tools. Got a compressor here, 10-gallon oil loop, portable air compressor. Got some more air compressor tools. Here we go in the automotive section. We have a 2-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump. It's the Pittsburgh brand. It's $30 off. No, I'm sorry. It's $20 off. We have some Hallmaster 3,300-pound capacity ratcheting tie downs. Here we have more Daytona jacks in blue, green, black, and orange. Here we have ZR8 Zurich OBD2 code reader. I've touched on these before. These are really nice code readers for the price. it's a pretty good deal there. It's originally $89.99. It's on sale for $79.99. Here's a 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack by Daytona. You're getting that for $20 off. Those Daytona jacks are really good jacks. This one specifically, I've used the bigger steel jacks, not the aluminum jacks, but being a Daytona, I'm pretty sure it's good quality. So here's a 16-foot 6-gauge jumper cables. Those always come in handy. Here we have a trim and molding set, 5-piece. Originally $8.99. It's on sale for $5.99. These things come in handy doing interior work. I just recently did a video. I'll link it up here somewhere, where I use this to help remove the trim to get to an air door actuator. They're really sturdy tools, but don't scratch surfaces. So here's Ames Instruments DM600 compact digital multimeter. I actually have, I believe it's the same model. I believe I have the same multimeter, and I really like it. Yeah, I have the same multimeter. It's a really good quality. It's compact. It has this orange molding on it. In case if you drop it, it kind of gives it a little bit of a cushion. Really nice meter. Originally $44.99. It's on sale for $34.99. Oh, we didn't have to jump back to the top of the page on that one. So building and construction. Here we have a Hercules 20-volt dual power 2-gallon wet dry portable vacuum. It's the tool only. And if I'm not mistaken, it looks like it has a cord with it as well. Yeah. It's a dual power. That's actually pretty cool. You could use a battery pack. You could use it cordless or with the cord. That's pretty cool. I don't know much about Hercules. I don't have any of their power tools to go off of. But for the price point, you could get a Milwaukee shop vac for $99. It does not include the battery, and it also does not include a power cord. So that's something to think about. But I have a video on the shop vac. I'll go ahead and link it up there so you guys could check out that video and see what you guys think. So electrical, generators and engines, hand tools. So we have Icon Precision Snap Ring Pliers, 8-piece, originally $69.99, on sale for $49.99. Here's a Quinn Premium Screwdriver Set, 15-piece, originally $27.99. It's on sale for $19.99. Not a bad deal. $20 for all those screwdrivers. So we have some offset metric box-in wrenches, SAE and metric, for original price $16.99. It's on sale for $12.99. Let's check this out. This is a 3/8" drive composite teardrop ratchet. This looks a little bit different. I don't know if this is an updated version, but I did try out this compact. I did try out this composite teardrop ratchet before, and I actually had to warranty it out because it actually see if I could get that. The quick release here just completely stopped working, and it just wouldn't even hold a socket. So Harbor Freight, with no problem, gave me a new one, and I didn't have the problem after that. But honestly, I didn't really trust it too much to keep using it, so I just went on using a different ratchet. Here's a 3/8" drive flex head, originally $29.99. It's on sale for $16.99. I actually have one of these. It's a pretty good ratchet. It's the Pittsburgh Pro. Some hardware. Here's some metric O-ring assortments. Originally $7.99. They're on sale for $6.99. These come in handy. I actually bought some of these. I've used them every once in a while. These come in handy just to have around. Same with these. I got a big, I don't know, I think like 1,000 pieces on Amazon. But the casing is very cheap and the plastic pieces are very cheap. So maybe I'll try picking these up and seeing if they're any better quality. So home and security. This clock, I actually got this clock for my garage, for inside my garage. It's pretty nice clock, pretty good quality, just for laughs or just for decoration, but it works as a clock as well. So lawn and garden. You guys seeing anything you guys like? Put some comments down below. Let me know what you guys find interesting, or what works for you guys, or tell me something that I didn't touch on that you wished I would have touched on. Oh, here's a good one right here. This is by Braun. It's a 1500 lumen LED rechargeable work light. Original price is $44.99. It's on sale for $39.99. This thing is pretty amazing. It gives out a lot of light. Pretty sturdy. I have no complaints with this. Just when you have it on max light, obviously you don't get very long with it. Super bright LED work light runs over 4 hours on a single charge. Yeah, I don't know if I would say 4 hours, maybe 2 hours. But who knows? But overall, it's a really good light. I recommend it, and even for $5 off, I would say go for it. It's a nice little light, and it's rechargeable. Some material handling. Some casters. Folding platform trucks. Some paracord. Going to painting. Plumbing for any plumbers out there. Power tools. We have the Chicago Electric Power Tool 7.5 amp variable speed reciprocating saw. We have this Central Machinery 13-inch 16-speed drill press. We got some polishing pads. .20-volt cordless 3/8-inch right angle drill tool only. We're getting into safety, some gloves. Got some noise canceling electronic earmuffs. Going into some tool storage and organization. US General 4-tier shelf rack. On sale for $24.99, originally $34.99. Welding. And that's the end of our list, guys. That is the Inside Track Club member exclusive member only deals for May. Remember, this ends May 26th, so make sure you guys get out there. If you see anything that intrigues you, anything that you guys have been needing that's on sale, go ahead and go pick that up. If you guys didn't seen something that I didn't touch on and you feel that it's a great buy for myself or for any other viewer out there, make sure to put it in the comment section below. So, thank you guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.